Mr. Antebi, it is an honor and a privilege to join you in your home today to conduct this improvised interview in which the viewers and I will both discover what venture you're passionate about. I'd love to have you start off by telling us about you and your family.
As you know, I'm married to Donna Antebi. We have 8 children, ranging from 13, believe it or not, to 46, and we have 4 grandchildren. We live in Bel Air.
Educational background?
Undergraduate, bachelor's degree, UCLA, majored in history and minored in mathematics. Took my master's degree in papal medieval history at UCLA. Went on to get a graduate degree at the Anderson School of Business, majored in finance, and finished up at Loyola Law School.
Complementary skill sets well suited for capital management, finance to law, and mathematics to medieval history.
Love those Jesuits.
So, okay, how about after law school, what did you do?
After law school, I began working immediately in the investment banking business. My first job was really as a financial analyst, working with specialty insurance companies. I graduated from there to doing, the full spectrum of investment banking, trading, a lot of syndicate. I handled institutional clients, clearing clients. I spent 20 years with Bear Stearns and Company, and at that time I did just about everything. Had several thousand clients, traded some of the firm's capital, and I grew as the firm grew. When I left the firm, I formed Maple Capital Management. Maple is a global investment fund, really quite balanced in terms of debt and equities. We do a lot of structured debt. We lend money, both secured and unsecured, to both private and public companies. We play the metals when appropriate. We do currency arbitrage when appropriate. But our real focus is risk management with equities, global equities.
For those who are unfamiliar with global equities, could you please define?
Investing in stocks, basically in stocks, in both private companies and public companies. We have a very diversified portfolio. We're industry agnostic, and we tend to be counter to most of the trends that exist, because we always believe that money is always made on the buy side, and if you buy right, you can usually do a lot better than if you're chasing the herd.
When the herd is selling, I'm usually buying, and when they're buying, I'm almost certainly selling.
It's always a good way to be.
And what's next?
Let me tell you about ELOC. I am fortunate enough to have gotten involved with this website, this portal, which is very exclusive to promoting stocks on the Frankfurt Exchange, that are listed on the Frankfurt Exchange. And I will be responsible as a consultant to helping them with structure, capital structure, helping to create marketability, doing some of the analysis of the companies that we promote, and also bringing in companies that might be suitable. It's going to be hopefully a very profitable venture for me and ELOC. And more importantly, I think that if we bring the right companies to the public and we properly promote them, it's a game changer for companies that are able to create capital and have marketability, and also for those people that invest. It gives them an opportunity to make a lot of money, and that excites me.
Investment bankers and entrepreneurs play a crucial role in changing the world.
Well, something, if you can help companies and make money for people at the same time, and hopefully, do something for the world. I'd like to think that the companies that we're going to be involved with will enhance the value of human life. There'll be companies that have cutting-edge disruptive technology. in many cases in the medical field, communications, things that we all need. And, the roots of, all the great technology, start in somebody's garage. They start as an idea, just a little kernel. And I'd like to think that we can take some of those ideas that are a little bit further along, that have infrastructure, that have good management, and help them with their dreams. And I think the Frankfurt Stock Exchange and ELOC's ability to market and promote those securities is a wonderful place to start.
A gentleman of your reputation and track record must have many options. Why ELOC? First mover?
No, actually, the individuals that have been behind ELOC have done it very well and very effectively for a long period of time, and they own the database. Very smart people, a lot of integrity.
Good position.
Yeah, I think so.
The value-added benefits of a financial or strategic advisor are immeasurable. How else will you be assisting ELOC in their quest for success?
I will be giving them counsel in terms of capital markets. I'll be bringing in companies that I think are appropriate to be public. But everything that I've done successfully in the United States, I bring to ELOC, which is creating liquidity, marketability, doing some of the analysis for the companies that I think are appropriate, really in the full range of investment banking services.
I believe they are very fortunate to be working with you.
I think they are.
Very nice.